Hi, it's Miss Thompson again. In the last video, I showed you how to print off the notes for the Math 8 lessons and how to use them. In this video, I'm going to show you how to work through the video lessons. So I'm going to Chapter 1 Percents, Lesson 1. It always takes a moment for the content to load. At the top is where you print off your notes, so you should have printed these off already. And then as you go through the video lessons, you're going to be filling in the notes as you go. I'm going to make the lesson full screen.
Well, when we say it's half full,
so the videos are much like a YouTube video or other videos that you've used on the computer before. Down here on the timeline, you can scroll ahead. You press play,
ready.
And then pause if you need to pause. Some other things that are a little bit different than what you might have seen before is at the top here it says 1 out of 4. What that means is that for this lesson, lesson number 1, there are 4 videos or 4 pages. So this is just the first of the 4. To see what they all are, we press the menu button here, and we can see right now we're in the first page. We also need to do the second, third, and fourth. So if you recall when you printed off your notes for this chapter, if you did it for the entire chapter, it would have told you that the first page of this lesson, there were no notes. The second page, representing percents using a grid, fractions, and decimals, does have notes. So you're going to be filling in information as you go through this particular one. If we go back down to the bottom now, what you'll notice is when we get to the end of the video for this particular page, so we'll just play it to the end. This is just the first of 4, so we need to make sure that we see the next page. So we're going to go to the next video.
Representing percents.
What you'll see is we're on page 2 out of 4. So really, really crucial that you go through each of these videos. So if you're filling in your notes and all of a sudden you're wondering like where on earth I'm going to find the answer to this particular section of notes, it may be that you didn't see all of the videos in the section. Okay? It happens very, very commonly, so this is important. If you are doing the notes and you have no idea where the information is located, you probably missed one of the videos. Okay? So for this particular lesson, we need to make sure we get through all the way on page 2. You wouldn't just zoom through it, of course, you'd actually watch it. And then you go to next video.
Converting between.
Now we're on page 3 out of 4. And then when we get to the end of this particular lesson or video, we go to the next video.
Comparing
so we're
decimals,
on 4 out of 4.
fractions, and.
When we get to the end of this one, we don't have the option to go to the next video because we've seen all 4 of them in this particular lesson. I'm going to go back to out of full screen mode. Now if we want to go on to the next lesson, so we just finished all of lesson 1, we can either click on this arrow, which takes us to the next lesson, or we go back to the main page and navigate from there. Before we do that though, we're going to answer some of the practice questions that are found down below. Please watch the next video for information about the practice questions.